How to write a business plan for an HVAC company. The heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) industry is estimated to explode in the next 10 years. With the increasing demand for energy-efficient systems and the growth of smart home technologies, the HVAC market is anticipated to witness significant growth in the coming years. HVAC industry is an essential industry responsible for providing comfortable indoor environments for residential, commercial, and industrial spaces. HVAC systems ensure that people can live and work in comfort, regardless of the weather outside. A well-structured business plan serves as a roadmap for business owners and potential investors, outlining the company's goals, strategies, and financial projections. In this video, we will delve into the essential components of a business plan for an HVAC company. What is an HVAC company business plan? An HVAC company business plan is a detailed document that outlines the objectives, strategies, and financial projections of an HVAC business. This plan serves as a blueprint for the company's growth, detailing its target market, marketing strategies, competition analysis, and operational plans. How to write an HVAC company business plan. Here are some essential steps to follow when creating an HVAC company business plan. 1. Executive summary. Begin with a brief, compelling overview of your business, summarizing your objectives, target market, and competitive advantage. 2. Company description. Provide a detailed explanation of your company, including its legal structure, location, and the products or services offered. 3. Market analysis. Conduct thorough research on the HVAC industry, analyzing trends, target market segments, and competition. Identify your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT analysis. For marketing and sales strategies, outline your plans for promoting your HVAC company, including advertising, public relations, and social media. Describe your sales strategies and how you will engage with potential customers. 5. Operations plan. Detail the day-to-day operations of your business, such as staffing, inventory management, and equipment requirements. 6. Financial projections. Provide an overview of your company's financial outlook, including projected income, expenses, and profit margins. Include a break-even analysis and any funding requirements. Here are some examples for an HVAC company business plan. Executive summary example. Cool Comfort HVAC Incorporated aims to become the premier provider of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) services in the Tri-City area. Our mission is to deliver exceptional customer experiences by providing high-quality, energy-efficient solutions to residential and commercial clients. With a team of certified and experienced professionals, Cool Comfort HVAC will leverage the latest industry advancements to stand out from competitors and gain a significant market share. Company description example. Cool Comfort HVAC Incorporated is a limited liability company, LLC, based in Springfield, specializing in the installation, maintenance, and repair of heating and cooling systems. Founded by John Smith, a seasoned HVAC professional with over 15 years of industry experience, our company focuses on residential and commercial customers seeking energy-efficient and environmentally friendly solutions. We offer a comprehensive range of services, including central air conditioning, ductless mini-split systems, heat pumps, and furnace installations. Market analysis example. The HVAC market has experienced steady growth in recent years, driven by rising energy costs, increasing awareness about energy efficiency, and a growing demand for smart home solutions. Our target market consists of residential homeowners and small to medium-sized commercial properties in the Tri-City area. A SWOT analysis reveals the following. Strengths: highly skilled and experienced technicians. Strong focus on energy-efficient solutions. Weaknesses: limited brand recognition in the market. Dependence on local economic conditions. Opportunities: growth in demand for smart HVAC systems. Expansion of services to surrounding areas. Threats: intense competition from established HVAC companies. Economic downturns affecting the construction industry. Marketing and sales strategies example. Cool Comfort HVAC will employ a multi-channel marketing approach to reach potential customers. We will launch a user-friendly website featuring informative content, customer testimonials, and a blog with helpful HVAC tips. Our online presence will be complemented by targeted social media advertising, local search engine optimization, and email marketing campaigns. In addition, we will participate in community events and establish partnerships with local businesses to increase brand visibility. Our sales strategy will focus on personalized consultations, offering tailored solutions to meet clients' unique needs and budgets. Operations plan example. Cool Comfort HVAC's operations will be managed from a centralized office and warehouse location. Our team will consist of certified HVAC technicians, administrative staff, and a dedicated customer service team. We will invest in advanced diagnostic tools and equipment to ensure efficient, high-quality service delivery. Inventory management will be streamlined through the implementation of a cloud-based inventory management system, allowing for real-time tracking and accurate forecasting of stock levels. Financial projections example. Cool Comfort HVAC expects to achieve profitability within the first 2 years of operation. Our financial projections indicate a 20% increase in revenue annually, reaching a break-even point in the 24th month. Estimated startup costs are $100,000, which includes the purchase of necessary equipment, initial inventory, and marketing expenses. We plan to secure a Small Business Administration (SBA) loan to cover these initial costs, with the company owners providing 20% of the required capital through personal savings. Visit us at www.peakplans.co if you need a professional assistance in writing your business plan or pitch deck. We are business plan and pitch deck consultants, and it's our pleasure to help you through your way in every stage of your business.